Welcome to NetSet Dream and HelpNet Aspirants YouTube channel. Today let us see about John Fox and William Camden. So John Fox timeline is 1516 to 1587. Let us see about his introduction. He was an English historian and materialist, the author of famous work The Acts and the Monuments. So let us see about Acts and Monuments, which is his famous work. It talks about the history, Western history. So it is otherwise called as Fox Book of Martyrs. So it tells about Christian martyrs throughout Western history, but particularly it talks about the English Protestants and proto-Protestants. That means after Protestants there is some type of Protestant peoples. So they talks about that type of peoples, how they suffer from the 14th century and the time of religion of Mary I. Mary I had burned more than 300 peoples at the time. So widely owned and read by English Puritans. So these books like Acts and Monuments were read by the people like Puritans and Protestants. So this book helped to mold British opinion. So they think about the Catholic Church for several centuries in different way. Through this book they viewed how the Catholic Church is like that. So this book helps the people to be aware of the church. That's all about Acts and Moments and about John Fox. We want to remember this important work, that is Acts and Moments. Next let us see about William Camden. So he is an English antiquarian, historian, topographer and herald. He is famous for his work, that is Britannia. It is a type of history about Great Britain. He was born in London and at Christ Church, and he became friend with Sir Philip Sidney, and who make Camden as antiquarian interest. Next, his important work is Britannia, which first published in Latin. So it is published in Latin and it was published in the year 1586. So first cartographical survey. It is called as first cartographical survey or topographical and historical survey of the island of Great Britain and Ireland. So it talks about Britain and Ireland in this work. So in 1577 this person, Camden, and with the encouragement of Abraham Ortelius, began this great work. With the combination of Ortelius, they did this work, that is Britannia. It is a work of cartography and it is study about landscapes, geographical, and talks about the history, that is of Great Britain. The statement intention was, what is the aim in this work, that is restore antiquity to Britain and Britain to the antiquity. Remember that, restore antiquity to Britain and Britain to its antiquity. So it is proved very popular. So this work I make them popular, that is William Camden. And ran for more than 5 editions, like in the year 1587, 1590, 1594 and 1600 and 1607. Early it gravely encouraged. It is type of textual context and it is have illustrations for the first edition. After that it has no such type of editions. So rather than writing a history, he wants to describe. Just as a history, he does not write this work. Beyond that, he wrote this work to give a detailed picture about what is Great Britain at the present time of his age, at the Elizabethan age, and to show about the past, what are the things happened in the past, and what are the wars, and what are the places exist. By this method, by this history, he explains this Great Britain. And he produced complete picture of Roman Britain. Next important work is Annales. It is about historical account of Elizabeth I. Queen Elizabeth I period in England, and it is published in 1607. Written in 1607, and in 1597 William Cecil, first Baron Burgess, suggested that Camden write a history of Queen Elizabeth I region. So it is the work which make him famous. Next, another two important works is Reminiscence concerning Britain. So Camden's Reminiscence of a greater work concerning Britain was a collection of historical essays. It has more popular than Britannia, that is the work of historical about Great Britain. So it is another great work. This was only the book which is written in English. Remaining other book of William Camden is written in Latin and some other languages. So it is misleading him. The first edition misled him in the year 1605. Other works in other languages are the Institutio Graecae, Grammatics, Compendia in Usum, Lilzi, Scholae, West Monasteries. It is about monasteries. This work is about monasteries. It's published in 1595. So it talks about a Greek grammar, which is talks about a textbook. Greek grammar textbook, which is fully standard for grammars. That's all for today's session. Thank you all. With regards, NetSet Dream and HelpNet Aspirants channel. If any doubts, kindly post in comment section. I hope it will be very useful for your studies. Thank you all. Stay safe. Happy learning.